good teamwork always leads to a success for the organization. एक organization तभी successful होती है जब आपकी team बहुत strong हो. Team में वो the passion or zeal of yes, we are working together and we have to achieve that goal. That is what is effective team. Team तो हमेशा हम लोग बना लेते हैं, but वो team effective है कि नहीं है, that is what we have to identify, and that is what we have to learn. Now, Abhi, Henry Ford, you all know who is Henry Ford, maker of Ford cars. So, पहले अगर आप देखिए, like before World War One, उस टाइम पे हर चीज बहुत मैनुअल होती थी, and even Henry Ford की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, उनकी फैक्ट्री में जब कार बनती थी, उनका मॉडल, फर्स्ट मॉडल क्या था, मॉडल टी, फोर्ड मॉडल टी, that used to take 12 hours to make one car. So then he came up with an idea. Why not do something to make the car in less hours? So he came up with an idea of assembly line. He introduced assembly line on December 1, 1913, just a year before World War One. So उन्होंने अपना assembly line को launch किया, और जहाँ 12 घंटे में कार बनती थी, Model T, and of course later on he came with Model N. So जहाँ पे वो उससे वो 12 घंटे जो कार बनने का टाइम लेते थे, he reduced that 12 hours to 1 hour 33 minutes. Right? So this is, and how did he achieve? Assembly line बनाया. Assembly line में, it's like, what is assembly line? You know, you have the tall things. He made different teams. One team was only into doing one part of thing, and then they were, and in fact, the people who were involved into it, they had very less time. I mean, they were just so engrossed into the work, they did not even have time to do chit chat. 3 minutes maybe एकदम से दूसरा सा product आता था, and they have to assemble it and then move it to the other department. So then he, with this idea, he said that coming together is beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. So जब उन्होंने assembly line बना के, then he said ये teamwork है, because of teamwork जो काम 12 घंटे में हम लोग पहले करते थे, with the teamwork, with an effective teamwork, with an assembly line, he reduced that 12 hours of work in 1 hour 33 minutes. Now, of course, the things have, the technology has changed, the scenario has changed, and of course, we have within 3 to 1 minutes, we have a car made in company. So what is coming together? Now, when we say coming together is a beginning, this is a first phase. That means common purpose phase. We call it executive level phase. We develop the executive, we bring them together. They come from different areas and they come there, and when they have a common purpose now. This is what we say, common purpose phase. So यहाँ पे हम लोग उनके अंदर वो sense of belonging को डालना है. They have to have that sense of belonging towards each other. And then they, of course, they'll be having that idea, or that questions coming to their mind. How are we supposed to sustain? What are we supposed to do? How can we build up this team? How can we make our team more successful? Performance oriented. This is the first part of the teamwork, which is when the executive level come together, and this is what is coming into their mind. Then is keeping together is progress. Very important factor. Keeping together is progress. This is mutual commitment phase. Now यहाँ पे आपने तो हम लोगों को लेकर आए अपने पास में, यहाँ पे उनको बांध के रखना है, isn't it? अपनी प्रोग्रेस के लिए, अपने ग्रोथ के लिए, अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन गोल अचीवमेंट के लिए, we have to bind them together. And how we will be binding them together? With the mutual interest, with mutual trust. अगर वो ट्रस्ट फैक्टर नहीं है तो टीम बिखर जाएगी, बट अगर म्यूचुअल ट्रस्ट है, कमिटमेंट है एक दूसरे के लिए, तो वो टीम इज ऑलवेज सक्सेसफुल. So this is what he said. You need to keep them together for the progress of it. यहाँ पे जो टीम लीडर है वो क्या करेगा? अपनी टीम को प्रोटेक्शन देगा, प्रोटेक्ट करेगा, उनके इंडिविजुअल नीड्स को भी कंसीडर करेगा. और व्हाट इज द मेंबर्स रोल? They will be committed towards their for the achievement of the. They would be giving the 100% to achieve the goal. That is what is keeping together is progress. And then what is working together in success? That was the last phase wherein you are sharing the contribution. You are sharing the contribution. Here, it is also an area wherein you have a good communication. Whatever you have achieved, you are sharing with each other. That is a team success, not an individual success. These are the three things which is successful for a teamwork. And as you know, Henry Ford really changed the whole scenario of making a car, or even it's just not a car. After when he introduced assembly line, it was introduced in all every area. In fact, Chicago में उसके तुरंत बाद Chicago में you know that slaughter area जहाँ पे बहुत मुश्किल से they used to have it. Then they also started having that packaging system with assembly. So this is how it was done. So अभी मैं आपको एक वीडियो दिखाने वाली हूँ. This video is on team building, teamwork के ऊपर. Just watch this video, and then of course we'll be having a discussion on this video. So I'll just take you to this video. Okay, I'll need to share it again for playing of the video, friends. Just give me a minute. Okay, so we are here. So friends, just go through this video very attentively, and then of course we do a discussion on this. Friends, you saw this video on teamwork. So what have you all understood by this video? What is the key learning concept you have seen in this video? Who would discuss with me? So what are the experiences and key learning of the activity? So what have you, what is your opinion? Who is going to share it with me? Please raise your hands. धीरज जी, आपका हैंड पहले से ही रेज था कि अभी रेज किया आपने? ओके, वी हैव मिस्टर बीके गुप्ता. यस सर.
जी हम इस वीडियो से हम लोग जो सब देख रहे हैं कि उसमें से एक हमारा टीममेट पीछे को खींच रहा है, एक दूसरी गाड़ी है उसमें सारे के सारे लोग हेल्प कर रहे हैं, यानी कि वो जल्दी काम होगा, अच्छी तरह काम होगा. जब उसका जो लीडर था गाड़ी को चलाने वाला, उसने उसको एनी हाउ पता समझा होगा कि कोई एक टीममेट है जो गाड़ी को पीछे भी, तो उसने शायद मेरे ख्याल से उसका स्क्रू कर दिया. इसका उसके समझ में आया और वो भी हेल्प करने लगा. तो मीन्स ये मैसेज ये देता है कि अगर हमारे टीममेट ठीक से काम कर रहे हैं, सपोर्टिव काम कर रहे हैं, तो हम बहुत जल्दी अपना काम निपटा सकते हैं और सफलता की तरफ अग्रसर हो सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल. सो हमने यहाँ पे आपने देखा था 5 तरह के लोगों को देखा था, 5 तरह के परफॉर्मर्स को हमने देखा था. One is of course the best performer. Then we have that effective doer who was always ready to learn and excel. Was always on the mode of excelling. And then of course we had a person who was little, I must say, misguided one, who wanted to do good, but then he did not have the exact idea how to go with it. So, and of course then the person again came a troubleshooter, the PTS, potential troubleshooter, right? Who is more into, and these are kind of person we always say is like, you know, those who are into, so who are more into taking the kind of appreciation or fruits of others. They want to snatch the fruits of others rather than performing on their own. And of course then we had the one who pulls us back. And आपने कभी देखा होगा ना, मीटिंग में हम लोग जब भी जाते हैं, हम लोग मीटिंग में होते हैं, तो एक पर्सन जरूर होता है जो हमारे अगेंस्ट बोलने को तैयार रहते हैं. Whatever we have prepared, the one person is always there. You might have seen ki they'll say why this, if and buts are always there going on into his mind. And to be very frank, they are always good for us as well, because if they are putting up if and buts, we are also prepared for it. And if they are in fact preparing us also for the struggles or for other hidden things which we might have overlooked. So even that is good for us. Anyone else? I would really like to do some kind of discussion on this. Ms. Sonia, anyone else would like to come forward? Avdesh ji?
Yes, ma'am.
What have you understood from this video?
Yeah, from this video I understood ki like sometimes there is work doer who is ready to work in team and is take initiatives, and at the time of taking initiative also he sometimes miss to understand ki others are how working and how we can motivate them as a team leader, not as manager. Then after seeing the reports of working, he again resettle all the teams and get the job done before it is too late. It's too late.
Yeah, right. That is very true, because see, हम लोग जब कभी किसी I have also like faced this so many times. जो हमारे काफी बार होते हैं, we are reporting to someone and we have been given a task wherein, I'm not saying it happens everywhere, but there are some times when we are given a task and we are doing it very effectively, but the credit is gone to somebody else, because whomsoever we are forwarding our task, wherever we have done service and everything, and we have made a full report, and then when the report goes to the high level, the high authorities, it is the credit of that report is given to somebody else, and then we say, oh, this was done by me, why somebody else has taken the credit. So this does happen, because then there is no team. When we have this kind of people around us, then we can say there's no teamwork. What is teamwork? When we are coming together. आपने देखा होगा उस वीडियो में, there was like people who are pulling you back. Performer, again, the team leader is focused on for like taking his team ahead. गोल अचीव करने के लिए उसको अपने स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं और अपनी टीम को आगे लेके जाना चाह रहे हैं, पर वो कितना whether he is really capable of dealing with those other four, which are one of them is pulling him back, one is there to criticize him, one is there to always taking the credit of others, and even the one is he training the person who is really good into it, who wants to learn, but he is just little misguided. He's not focused properly. He's disoriented. So whether that leader is ready to impart the exact knowledge or the training to that team member or not, and if he is, and if he's giving the proper training, of course the team is going to be successful. We saw the other company. The team leader was working equally with all the members. He was focused with, he had given the proper training to its members. So they were all working at par. एक ही लेवल पे सब काम कर रहे थे. यहाँ पे लेवल थोड़ा डिफरेंट था. So whatever the knowledge you have, the team leader has, that they have to impart that knowledge to its team members. आपको अपने पास इंफॉर्मेशन सब नहीं रखना है, आपको सारी इंफॉर्मेशन अपने टीम मेंबर्स को भी इंपार्ट करनी है. आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है वो उनके साथ बांटना है, उनके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है वो आपको जानना है, एंड देन यू हैव टू कम ऑन द सेम लेवल. जब आप सेम लेवल पे आते हो, then you are ready to go for your goal, because आपकी सेम लेवल थिंकिंग हो गई है, और ऑफ कोर्स तो आपका गोल अचीवमेंट के लिए आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आने वाली. इट्स गोइंग टू बी रियली स्मूथ, बिकॉज देयर इज अ टाइम when people, even if you don't want to say something, they will be able to understand. वो आप कुछ शायद कहना, आप सिर्फ मन में सोच ही रहे हैं, उससे पहले आपके टीम मेंबर को समझ में आ जाएगा कि what my team leader wants from me. So this is the criteria for an effective team. Anyone else would like to come forward, or we just go ahead, friends? Okay, so what is teamwork? The act or just a moment, friends. Okay. So what is teamwork? The act of using or combining the skills and talents of all the individuals in a group or team in order to achieve a common. आपको सारे जो members हैं, team members हैं, आपके सारे individuals, they have different, they possess different skills. As I told you, हर एक पर्सन यूनिक है, एक दूसरे से अलग है. आपको उन सबके स्किल्स, व्हाट दे आर गुड इनटू, उनके स्किल्स को यूटिलाइज करना है, उनके स्किल्स को यूटिलाइज करके एक म्यूचुअल कॉम्बिनेशन फैक्टर में लेकर आना है, तभी आप अपना गोल को अचीव कर पाएंगे. So we all have gathered together. Whosoever is part of the team, they all have come up with their skill, their expertise. एक्सपर्टीज के साथ में उस टीम में आए हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि उनको एक टारगेट दिया गया है, एक टास्क दिया गया है, उस टास्क को कंप्लीट करना है. Isn't it? आपको 1983 का वर्ल्ड कप याद है, when India was fighting with, of course, they were against West Indies, the champions, and the target was just 183 runs again. That was a target which was impossible. I mean, impossible as in possible for the West Indies, and we were like new. I mean, at that time even I was a kid. But then now we hear it, of course, we see in videos that we hear it from our parents and all. What time, kitna tensions tha ki whether the India will be able to win or not. But they became the winning team. They became the champions just because of proper teamwork. They came with the mental level of the captain Kapil Dev, isn't it? एक जो हारी हुई टीम को सक्सेस दिलाया, and that was a shocking for whole world that time. So that was just because of a teamwork. Who showed that enthusiasm? Who showed that yes, we will be able to achieve? जो positive factor किसने टीम में डाला? कैप्टन ने. हम लोग अचीव कर पाएंगे. This will be in our hand. We'll be able to succeed. Though the team was a little disappointed, they were disheartened, they were discouraged, but leader came forward and put that enthusiasm, that positive feeling into the team. Said, no, we will win. We have to move forward. We have to fight. and they made a strategy, which was, of course, strategy was they combined the skills of all the players. He knew which player is good in what, and simultaneously, as a goal, whatever the work was assigned simultaneously to the peer team members, whatever as per their skills, whatever they were good into, and the common was achieved. That was winning the World Cup. So this is what is teamwork. This is what we are trying to tell you again and again. So what is teamwork and team building? Teamwork, concept of people working together as a team. This is what is teamwork. When people come together and work, आप अपने इंडिविजुअल डिफरेंसेस को भूल जाते हैं, आप अपने इंडिविजुअलिटी को भूल जाते हैं. From I say you become we. That is what is. You forget as like fine. You just forget that you're Praveen. When you are working in a team, you are so I'm working with Sleepwell. I am part of Sleepwell. So here I am not Praveen. I am Sleepwell Foundation. I'm from Sleepwell Foundation, team member of Sleepwell Foundation. So here I am working here as team member of Sleepwell Foundation. Here nobody knows me as Priya or Praveen. I mean, like Praveen is my official name. That's why I just keep on coming on my lips. So यहाँ पे मैं as Priya or Praveen काम नहीं कर रही. यहाँ पे मैं represent कर रही हूँ Sleepwell Foundation. This is what is Subhash sir, Sumita ma'am. We all are team members, and our common goal is the workshop. We have to make this workshop as successful as possible. So this is our goal for this workshop. So we are working together for this. The team player, who is a team player? Is someone who is able to get along with the colleagues and work together in a cohesive group as one unit. Come together and work as one unit. We communicate. We have that mutual trust between our members. We are committed towards each other and become one. From 11, we become one. So team building is the process of establishing and developing a greater sense of collaboration and trust between them. This is very important. If you don't have trust among yourself, the team is scattered. You don't have a team. We just can't call it team because it is going to break at any point of time. We won't be able to achieve our goal if we are not having the trust between the members. And the trust has to be imbibed first by the leader, and of course this thing comes, the sense of belonging comes from within. We should have the sense of belonging towards each other. The social acceptance of each other has to be really important for a good team building. So why do we need teamwork? Why do we need team? अब घर में भी अगर आप देखते हो, I just always give because हम लोग being a housewife as well. अगर मैं अकेले ही सारा काम करती रहूंगी, तो do you think I'll be able to manage both the things, office and home? No. At home also, I require whole family members to come forward and help me, because I can't be able to, I won't be able to work alone over there. So even whatever my kids, my husband, whatever the task, we divide that task. And then of course, the common goal is that whole day is went smoothly. Same way when we are working in an organization, we have to work as a team to get the profit, to make our organization profitable. There's one, you all must have heard about Chayos, isn't it? आपने Chayos का सुना होगा, you must have been to the outlet of the Chayos. So how many of you know the origin of Chayos? क्या आपने कभी उसका origin देखा है, कैसे वो Chayos came into the picture? This was of course started by an IIT engineer who left his promising job in US and came to India to open up this business of Chayos. जहाँ पे coffee कैफेस थे उस टाइम, चायोस का तो कुछ चाय मतलब आप एक छोटी चाय का स्टॉल, वी ऑलवेज कॉल इट टपरी, हम लोग हिंदी में टपरी बोलते हैं, स्पेशली इन महाराष्ट्र, बिकॉज आई हैव डन माय पीजी एंड ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र, सो वो आदत पड़ा टपरी की चाय पीने का, तो वो स्टॉल्स या फिर टपरी की चाय, पर कभी उससे पहले हमने चाय का कोई कैफे नहीं देखा। Cafe used to be coffee cafes, but he came to India and of course started his first branch of Chayos from DLF Gurgaon. वहां पे पर Chayos एक एक नया चीज स्टार्ट करना is first of all very tough. Secondly, अगर वो स्टार्ट भी करते हैं तो क्या वो अकेले स्टार्ट कर पाएंगे? नहीं, he required his team. और जो भी like what he of course hired people, but before starting up he trained his team. If he wasn't, in fact he went to the kitchen, he whatever the recipes, because he was very good in that, he always said everybody, you know what is Chayos, you have the customized teas out there, whatever is your taste they would be making according to your taste. And that has to be understood only when you are of course going for your taste. And this is what he told everyone, that when I am, and this all started with the concept like he went to a place and then he did not he was not happy with the tea he got, and then he said something is missing I think everybody must be missing this kind of taste, and that's how he came with an idea, why not I give a customized tea. But this idea has to be imbibed into his team members as well. He just cannot appoint कि ठीक है मैंने एक cashier को appoint कर लिया, मैंने एक अपने chef को appoint कर लिया, मैंने अपना stewards को appoint कर लिया, waiters और जो भी helpers को appoint कर लिया, and I have they all are trained into their respective department, so they will handle. No, if he thought that, then of course the Chayos would not have been that successful. How he made that thing successful? Because he imbibed whatever the knowledge he had, he gave it to them, whatever he desired from them, he told them, he brought all of them to his mental level, the same level. And he in fact in an interview he said, I used to be going into the kitchen, I told them how to make the things, and he used to sit on the cashier reception, and he used to attend the thing, and he used to sit with the cashier, chit chat with them. He used to be taking the orders as well initially, and he had shown that to his people. So this is what is him. And now look at the success of this thing. They have achieved it. They have been doing into, they are into a market and they're doing a profitable business. So that for that, the team leader, of course, has to bring that confidence into the team. Yes, we will be able to achieve. We will be able to do it. We just need to be standing together. We have to share our ideas. We have to, of course, whatever this, we will be dividing the work as per the skills, but then we are together because our focus should be on achieving the goal. We have a common goal which we have to achieve. So why teamwork again? We need to, of course, when we are talking about team, we need to identify our target. हमारा target क्या है? हमारा within 6 months में हमको, like if we suppose I'll take the case of Chayos also. Chayos का था कि ठीक है हमको पहला brand आ गया, उसके बाद तो of course और brand आगे लाने, तो हमारा वो target decide हो गया. Teamwork, सबका पूरा उस team के लिए एक target decide करना. Whatever the task is given to them, we have to achieve it. Target decide करने के बाद, task decide करने के बाद, we have to work together. We have to come together. And when we come together, we have to pull in our ideas. यहाँ पे सिर्फ 1% का idea नहीं आता. When we are talking about team, we will be having conflict also. बहुत कब अगर मैं आज बोल रही कि नहीं ये South है, तो दूसरा person will come and say no, it's not. Of course, differentiation हो गए. But you have to go through those conflicts and of course difference of opinions, and then you have to, from those things, you have to come to a conclusion and bring out a perfect idea to achieve your target. You have to formulate a strategy to achieve your target, common strategy which is applicable to all. Again, you need to, just told you, when you have the ideas, there of course you have conflicts also. We are humans, of course. Humans हैं, हमारे बीच में conflicts होना आम बात है. It's but natural. We should not be afraid of conflicts. This is part of our life. So we should be able to manage conflict when we are talking about teamwork. And then when we manage conflict, of course, we will be able to increase our efficiency, because here when we are able to manage conflict, that means we resolve our issue differences. We have resolved all the issues pertaining to our different departments and all. And then we start working as one. And of course, when we start working as one, we increase our efficiency. And when we increase, we give 100% to that work, of course, the performance is improved. And we come up with the best achievement, the target we achieve. We are able to achieve our target in the best way, in a profitable way. So when we talk about team, there are three things which is as a part, we can say, categories of the team. We have task needs are there, individual needs are there, team needs are there. अब task needs क्या है? आपकी जो task अगर आपको कुछ achieve करना है तो उसके resources क्या है? Like अगर just take up again अगर आप एक बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाह रहे हैं तो उसकी टारगेट्स, उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है? आपको एक लोकेशन की जरूरत है, आपको प्लेस की जरूरत है, आपको ऑफ कोर्स जैसे आपने चाय हाउस अगर खोला है तो आपको उसकी प्रॉपर टाइप एक गुड प्लेस की जरूरत है, आपको इंटीरियर की जरूरत है, रिसोर्सेज, हाउ यू वुड बी डूइंग एडवर्टाइजिंग एंड ऑल दोस आर टास्क नीड्स. सो यू हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट. आपको उस नीड्स को भी जॉट डाउन करना है. हम लोग जब टीम की बात कर रहे हैं तो सबसे पहले हम लोग टास्क नीड्स के बारे में बात करें. उसके बाद above all every individual also has some needs. जो जितने भी टीम मेंबर्स हैं they are coming from different areas. उनके कुछ भी नहीं है, उनको maybe one member will say कि मेरे को बहुत दूर से आता है. If you are supposed to keeping a meeting early morning, so one member might say I'm coming from so far, I won't be able to reach on time. So you can't say कि you have to come by 5 o'clock. You have to think about that individual as well. एक कॉमन फैक्टर निकालना पड़ेगा आपको. जब हम लोग टीम की बात करते हैं, हम लोग जब इंडिविजुअल नीड्स को भी हमें ध्यान में रखना है when we are doing some work to achieve our target, that is for the task, right? So हमको उनकी individual, as in maybe some might be having some health issues or some might be having some different issues, as in family issues and personal issues, maybe some might not be able to commute properly. So वहाँ पे अगर आप suppose आपकी commuting का problem है तो the team leader can arrange for a vehicle or so. If they're keeping a meeting somewhere else, so of course उनके vehicle का, उनके pick up and drop का भी आप ध्यान रख सकते हो for the smooth work. Because अगर आपने एक particular meeting रखी तो before keeping that meeting, you need to think about the needs, individual needs of your team member as well. And then comes the team needs. This is most important. ये पूरा करने के बाद हमारे team need भी बहुत important है. अब team need की हम जब बात करें तो हम लोग बात करें मीटिंग की. आप जहाँ पे भी मीटिंग रख रहे हो तो वहाँ पे आपने suppose you have 10 members into your team. So which is the venue you should be deciding for the team meeting? Which place is suitable for it? Because when we talk about team, we don't not only talk about only the gentlemen, we talk about the ladies as well. You might be having few females also as part of your team. So when you are keeping a place, so you have to be sensitive towards their needs as well. तो आप उनकी needs का ध्यान में रख के भी आपको venue decide करना है, sitting arrangement decide करना है. Again, उसमें क्या resources चाहिए, आपकी team की क्या requirement है, उस सब को भी आपको ध्यान में रख के वो सब काम करना. So successful completion of goal fulfills all above 3 needs. आपका अगर ये 3 needs, आपकी task need, आपकी individual needs और सबसे बड़ी team need जो है, आप अगर उसको fulfill कर पाते हैं तो आपकी of course जो team achievement है, आपका जो goal achievement है, that will be successful. So सबसे पहले हम लोग जब भी individual की भी बात करते हैं, हम team needs की बात करते हैं तो हमारी team need is more important than इंडिविजुअल नीड. कुछ भी होता है, अगर इसमें से चॉइस करना पड़ता है तो हम लोग हमेशा टीम नीड को ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देंगे, बिकॉज इंडिविजुअल नीड कैन बी लिटिल ओवरलुक्ड. वी कैन ऑलवेज कॉम्प्रोमाइज लिटिल ऑन दैट थिंग व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट one as a whole, that is team. So when in conflict among these needs, team need is superior to achieve superordinate goal. I just told you. टीम नीड को, बिकॉज हमारी अगर टीम नीड को हम लोग इंपॉर्टेंस देंगे तो हम अपना जो टास्क है, जो गोल है, वो आराम से अचीव कर पाएंगे. तो आपकी इंडिविजुअल नीड को हम थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्रोमाइज करेंगे व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द टीम नीड्स. सो व्हाई पीपल जॉइन टीम? क्यों ज्वाइन करते हैं टीम को? we always as human look for the security. हम कोई भी organization join करते हैं friends, whenever we are joining an organization, we always do a kind of a homework before about that company before we join, isn't it? कहीं पे भी, even when we are opening up a startup, हम लोग उस टाइम भी अपना बहुत ज्यादा रेकी सर्वे करते हैं for the security of that particular goal achievement. तो हम जब भी कोई टीम ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, हम लोग अपनी सिक्योरिटी की बात करें. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट only security in terms of physical security. We are talking about mental security as well. We are talking about our emotional security and even job security. Suppose you are joining, अगर आपने let's talk about join up Reliance Group. So Reliance Group में आपने join किया तो आपको एक security मिल गई है, especially on the high level. Okay, yeah, you have joined Reliance. तो आपका status भी आपका, जैसे आप लोगों ने बोला you are GM in so and so company, Reliance Group को join किया, okay, आपका status अपने आप बढ़ जाता है, आपको एक security, job security होती है. Yes, ना तो हमको मिल रहा है, प्लस हमारा एक स्टेटस जो है सबके सामने, that has also built up, boost up हो जाता है. और जब स्टेटस होता है तो हमारी सेल्फ एस्टीम भी boost up होती है. We all get that, we have that affiliation. Of course, when you go to a some other organization, you say I am coming from Reliance Group, I am so and so from this. So आपको एक stand होता है. People look forward to you. They are ready to interact with you. They are ready to do deals with you. Even if you go into I'll say official, like a government office or for some work, they are also ready to accept you. They are also ready to look after your needs, your official needs. So ये चीजें आपके, of course, अगर आपकी टीम बहुत strong है, आप एक renowned company को, एक renowned status को join करेंगे, तो आपका ये अपने आप आ रहा है. इसलिए that's why we always will look for a team, a good team. And then of course we get the power. Power भी हमको, everybody as human, I know we can you can come and deny कि नहीं हमको power नहीं चाहिए, but back of the mind, every human is looking for a power, isn't it? Even I look for a power. Who doesn't want to be strong? Who doesn't want to be rising high? When I feel like when I'm going out, yes, I should be having that kind of status that, yeah, she's the one who we should be looking forward to meeting and collaborating with. So everyone is looking for that power. And same way, this is why we join a team. When we have that power, all this security, we are able to, of course, achieve our goal. Because our goal achievement is a main factor of a team. Our goal kya hai? For whatever the task is given to us, our main work is to achieve that. So हम जब टीम को ज्वाइन करते तो हमारा मेन फोकस होता है हमारा अचीवमेंट ऑफ गोल. We come together, we forget about our differences, we forget about our conflicts just to achieve the goal. तो ये चीज हमारे लिए बहुत जरूरी होती है. सिक्योरिटी, स्टेटस, सेल्फ एस्टीम, एफिलिएशन, पावर, ये तो है, चाहिए ही हमको, पर हमारा मेन फोकस ऑफ कोर्स होता है for the achievement of goal. That's why we all have come together, isn't it? So this is why people join a team. Quotes here. You can see Hay in quotes. They both have been tied with a rope. आप देख रहे तो both the quotes have been tied with a rope. Now they both want to go to eat the hay. सबको अपना चारा, दोनों को अपना चारा खाना है, अपना अपना, बिकॉज उनके सामने चारा रखती है, पर उनको गले से बांध भी दिया, एक रस्सी से भी बांध दिया है. And now they are asked to eat. They are stretching. This is what a kind of individual thing. अपना अपना skill के हिसाब से they want to just go to this target. Their target is eating this hay, isn't it? तो अपने individually अपना दिमाग लगा के they are trying to eat the hay. यहाँ पे भी आप देखिए, isn't it? They are stretching, but are they able to stretch more? No. यहाँ पे जैसे वो stretch कर रहे हैं तो they are having that pain, difficulties, they're facing difficulty because they are working individual. They are not working together. यहाँ पे again they are putting all their strength, पूरा स्ट्रेंथ लगा लिया, खूब खींच लिया अपने इस रोप को, स्टिल दे आर नॉट एबल टू इवन मूव नियर टू देयर टारगेट। बहुत ज्यादा पास में आके भी दे आर नॉट एबल टू अचीव दैट थिंग, दैट इज अचीवमेंट यहाँ पे क्या है, ईटिंग द hay। वो अपने चारा को खा नहीं पा रही है। Of course, after lot of struggles, after pulling and whatever, सारा दिमाग लगा लिए, उसके बाद they sit and now they are pondering what I should be doing now। बहुत हो गया, अभी बैठ के सोचते हैं हम लोग कहाँ गलत है, क्या कर रहे हैं जो हमारे बीच में गलती हो रही है कि हम लोग अपना टारगेट अचीव नहीं कर पा रहे, कहाँ हम लोग गलत हैं। They're thinking, and then of course a common solution has come, and the common solution is that they both will go together, since they both are tied to each other. This is what is, I'll be coming on the elaboration part also. They're tied to each other, so they have to, that means they have to work together, they have to work as a team। और उनका टीम का टारगेट है उनको अपना चारा खाने का। So now they understood the teamwork and they both together went to one hay and started eating that, and later of course after finishing this they are going for another, the other target wherein they would be eating that. So now they are able to achieve their target. The target was of eating that. So this is what is teamwork, is what they have been doing। यहाँ पे उनको आपको जब आप टीम में आते हैं तो आपको इंडिविजुअली काम नहीं करना है। Here you are tied to each other, you are supposed to work together rather than going in different directions। आपको अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में जाके काम नहीं करना है, बस इंडिविजुअली अगर काम करना है तो वो टीम की जरूरत ही नहीं है। So you were working like that before, but when you are tied, this is rope is tied, आप एक दूसरे के साथ बंध गए हैं, आपके इफ एंड बट्स भी एक दूसरे के साथ, आपके पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव थॉट्स भी एक दूसरे के साथ हैं, इसलिए आपको म्यूचुअल ट्रस्ट एंड म्यूचुअल इंटरेस्ट की बहुत जरूरत है। So this is what we have to, we are trying to explain you from this picture। So before going further, I would like to do a little bit of discussion on this।